I don't know why they call it a wash and go if you're not literally just washing and go.
Perfect.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing a wash and go. If you follow me on Instagram, I'll leave my Instagram page in the description box below. If you follow me on Instagram, I did a poll asking persons which product to use for my wash and go, and the winner was this Cream of Nature Pure Honey Twisting Cream. So I will be pairing it with the Xtreme Wetline Gel for the wash and go today. So before I hop into that, I just want you guys to subscribe if you are new, like, comment and share this video. Follow me on all my socials, all of them are linked in the description box below, and comment, spam the comments on how you do your wash and go and what products you use to do your wash and go. So let us just hop right into this video right now. So I am starting off on freshly co-washed hair. Whew. Yeah, so I just co-washed my hair. I have it in 6 sections, so there's no product in my hair right now, none whatsoever in my hair right now. So I'm just going to oil my scalp, massage it, and then put in my leave-in, and then we will get into the wash and go. Forgot to mention, I use the Wild Growth hair oil on my scalp and the Cream of Nature coconut milk curl repair leave-in in my hair a while ago. To check out some other products that I love to use in my hair, I will leave the video up in the iCard so you can check that out. Alright, so to start off on this wash and go, I am gonna start on the back section of my hair. My hair is already detangled, so it's not much detangling to be done right now. So I have the first piece out of the 6 that I'm going to start off with. So all I do is take a section of that piece. Now pin up this other piece right here. So I'll add the twisting cream. There you go. I'll add a little of the twisting cream, not much, because the more of the cream that you add, the longer your hair will take to dry, and you'll probably have more flaking as well. Ooh. Okay. So I just used a little on that section, using my tangle teaser to just detangle again, make sure that there are not any more knots in there. Then I will add the gels. Add from the bottom and work your way up. Use your finger to rake through first, then you're going to shingle each strand or some of the strands to separate and define your hair better. So as it is now, that's what it is. So now I'm going to shingle Just take one piece, do a little coil, and you release. Do the same thing, release. Do it again, release. Do it again. So you just repeat that for the section until you are done. Yeah, so that's the first section, so I'm gonna do it again. So you take a section, taking this piece. It's good to have a spray bottle on hand so that when the hair gets a little bit dry, you just spritz it. Spray that in. Add the cream. Detangle. Add your gel. Add from the ends. Work your way up. Use your finger to start separating and just work the gel in. Then start to shingle. Take a strand, finger coil, let it go. Take another strand, finger coil, let it go. And you continue straight throughout. Finger coil, let it go. Coil and let go. Coil and let go. Yep, that's what you do. Alright, I'm gonna come a little closer and give you guys a look at what it's looking like right now. Alright, so I'm just gonna speed through the rest, and when I'm through, you'll see what my entire hair is looking like. Alright, I'm going to show you guys what the back is looking like. Alright, so I'm just going to finish up the front and come back to you guys. Right, now that I'm done with my entire head of hair, the next thing you're gonna do is just give it a shake. Alright, so this is how it is now that it's wet. Let me just give you guys a 360. Alright, so I'll come back tomorrow morning when it is dry and show you guys how I stretch it. And yeah, see you guys in the morning. Hey guys, it's been a full day since my hair was done in this wash and go, and it is now completely dry. So now I'm just going to show you how I stretch it. And the method I use to stretch is with a blow dryer, and with the blow dryer I'll be using my favorite heat protectant spray from Tresemme. Alright, so before I do that, I'm just going to use a little Jamaican black castor oil and rub it over my hair first before I get into blow drying. Alright, so start off with the blow dryer, and I'm just going to start from the back, take a section at the back. And you pull that section, so I'm only going to stretch the root of it because I still want the ends to be defined, so I'm only going to be blow drying like just about that area right there. So you take a heat protectant spray and you spray around that area, then you put your blow dryer on low heat. That's it, and that's the first section. So you're just going to focus the blow dryer on the area that you want to be stretched, and you release after you're finished. So I'm just going to do that for the rest of my hair. Stretch this side a little more. Yeah. For the front, you don't want to stretch too much because this is where most of the definition is. So you try to just focus not too much on that large, what should I say? It's the length of hair that you stretch at the roots for the back. You don't want to stretch that much at the front because you're trying to keep the front more defined than the back. So you just do a little section and then you release. Alright, so that's it for stretching. After that, I just use my pick comb. Yeah, that's basically it. And there you have your wash and go. It is now stretched. You can shape it and style it however you want after this. So yeah, that's about it, and that concludes this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a like. Remember to spam the comments and let me know your wash and go combo. Remember to share it with your friends and subscribe if you're new. And until then, oh, also remember to turn on your notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video. And with that said, I will see you in my next one. Bye.
Perfect.